Today I'll be sharing with you guys the benefits of my morning ritual. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is about the benefits of ice on your face. Okay, so if you guys have seen my previous videos, I just swear by, or I practice this ritual of rubbing my face with ice every morning, mostly in the morning, every single day. Okay, but if you guys don't have time, or if you guys are busy in the morning, then you can do this anytime in the day, but make sure that you at least rub the ice on your face at least once a day. तो जो आइस रब करते हैं उसके सिर्फ एक या दो फायदे नहीं है, बट देर आर लाइक so many benefits, and I just thought of making a video on this to tell you guys that how beneficial it is if you rub ice cubes on your face. Okay, and it is just not by me saying it, but there are Korean, if you are someone who look for Korean skincare tips, so this is one of the Korean skincare tips, so of rubbing eyes, and even most of the Bollywood celebrities, even they follow this ritual every morning, and that is why I thought of making a video on this, because I found many benefits of this, and I just felt like maybe this video might help you guys also, and hence this is the main aim of making this video. Before starting the video, make sure that you have subscribed to my channel, because I make wellness and fitness related content every week. So if you guys don't want to miss out on that, then make sure that you subscribe. Okay, so ice cubes are nothing but you just take water and you put it in the tray, ice tray, and you just put it in the freezer. And this is how you get ice. So if you don't have ice tray, like मेरे घर का ice tray वो टूट चुका है, so I'm using normal steel vessel and I store ice in that. So even you can do that. Benefit number 1, it suits your acne. ठीक है, तो acne कैसे होता है? Mostly people with oily skin, like I have oily skin, and at the end of the day, if I go out somewhere and because of the pollution, my skin gets so oily and so greasy that my hands also my fingers become greasy, like literally greasy. So इतनी मेरी स्किन फेस की स्किन बहुत ज़्यादा ऑयली है, and that is the reason I keep on getting acne. So this could be one reason of getting acne, but there are many other reasons why you get acne. So what you have to do is just in the morning rub the ice on your face. ठीक है, rub it on your face, and just keep on rubbing it on your face like for 5 or 10 minutes, and you'll just see major difference, because So you know, if you for exfoliation, what you can do is you can put coffee, okay, coffee cubes, or you can make milk cubes for exfoliation. Okay, so instead of putting water, you can put coffee and water, like coffee powder and water, or milk and little bit of water, and uske cubes bana ke you can gently exfoliate your skin. So it removes the dead cells and you get a soothing feeling as well, like chill soothing feeling. So just try this. The last one is it reduces aging. So if you're in your 20s or you're a teenager, then you can just start it from now itself, so that you know, as your age grows up, you won't get those fine lines and wrinkles on your face. Or even if you're, you know, in 30s or in 40s, or if you have wrinkles, then you can just do it now also, because ice helps in reducing those fine lines and wrinkles, and thus it slows down the process of aging that appears on your face. So yeah, so just give it a try, because you know, if you just start doing it from now itself, if you start taking precautions from now itself, then it is going to help you in the long run. Hence, I would suggest you guys to just start it right now itself. So that was it, guys. Like, these were the benefits of ice, rubbing ice on your face. And if you think that I've missed any benefits, then you can just add them in the comments so that I would come to know. And don't forget to follow my Instagram as well, because I post content over there as well. And do subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I think the next video is a challenge video, workout challenge video.